The Smith machine side crunch trains the obliques. To set up, set the bar to hip height. Facing sideways with your feet hip width and square, take a small step away from the bar and unrack it. With the arm holding onto the barbell, push your arm long, pulling your shoulder down toward your hip. You can place the opposite arm on your waist so you can feel the contraction. Lastly, create a neutral spine by stacking your ribs over your pelvis by crunching forward slightly. For the action, the working side is the one with your hand on your hip, not the one holding onto the barbell. Starting with the eccentric, lower the barbell by bending away from the working side, creating space between your ribs and pelvis. On the concentric, raise the barbell by bending toward the working side, bringing your rib toward your pelvis. Breathe out on the concentric to empty your lungs and allow space for you to shorten your obliques. For proper alignment, ensure that you're not shrugging or rowing the weight up. To prevent this, make sure you keep your arms straight, pulling your shoulder down toward your hip throughout the movement. And lastly, maintain a neutral spine by stacking your ribs over your pelvis by crunching forward slightly.